Today, we're looking at the breaker size interactive calculator, an essential tool for electrical engineers and technicians who need to properly size circuit breakers and verify conductor ampacity. This calculator solves the critical engineering problem of ensuring electrical protection devices are correctly matched to their loads while maintaining code compliance. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have calculation mode with 6 options: standard breaker size for continuous load, motor circuit breaker size, maximum load for given wire and breaker, voltage drop verification, parallel conductor sizing, and temperature derating factor. For this demonstration, we'll select standard breaker size. Next is continuous load current in amperes, where you enter your calculated load. The load type dropdown offers continuous for loads running 3 hours or more, and non-continuous for loads under 3 hours. Wire gauge ranges from 14 AWG down to 4/0 AWG. The conductor temperature rating provides 3 options: 60 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, and 90 degrees Celsius. Let's work through an example. We have a continuous load drawing 85 amperes. Enter 85 in the continuous load current field. Select continuous from load type, since this equipment runs constantly. Choose 3 AWG from wire gauge based on our installation. Select 75 degrees Celsius for conductor temperature rating, which is standard for most commercial installations. The calculator will output the minimum breaker size required, accounting for the 125% factor for continuous loads, and verify the wire ampacity is adequate for the selected temperature rating. Remember, always verify your local electrical code requirements, as they may have additional restrictions beyond NEC standards. Find the link in the description below.